Hello, today we're going to warm up using our 10 frame. So it's been a while since we've used a 10 frame, so I'm just going to remind you how it works. Now we call it a 10 frame because it has 10 empty spaces, and we can count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now remember, there are 5 spaces along the top and 5 spaces along the bottom. We can use a 10 frame because it helps us to quickly see how many spaces are full and how many are empty. For our first game, you're going to see some 10 frames that have some spots in them. I'm only going to show you for a short time so that you can try and work out how many spots there were without counting each one. Remember, as soon as the top row is full, that is 5. You don't need to keep counting back from the beginning again because you can remember the top row is 5. Let's have a go and then we'll come back and do some more activities. So do you remember yesterday we were looking at number bonds to 10, where we were finding out which 2 smaller numbers we could use that make 10. We can use the 10 frame in exactly the same way. To do this challenge, you're going to need objects that are 2 different colours. Now you can investigate different ways to fill your 10 frame using 2 colours. And you can count how many of each colour that you have. Let me show you an example. In my 10 frame, I decided to put 7 red spots first, then I put 3 blue spots. So I have 10 spots altogether, but I can clearly see that the 2 numbers that make 10 are 7 and 3. So have a little play around with your 10 frame and see which different ways you can make number 10. Have fun!